Hi, good morning. This is Bill Gamble. I have a 1965 Mustang Fastback, which I started restoring it about 35 years ago. It was a father-son job and a friend that does body work. Uh, we've only been on maybe a half a dozen or so car shows, but we specifically wanted to join in on this one. The story behind the car is when my son was 14 years old, my wife said, I need to bond with my son. And so I asked my son, what do you want? Because he played soccer. I didn't play soccer. I was an engineer. He wasn't an engineer. So he wanted a 1965 Mustang Fastback. He knew exactly what he wanted at 14 years old. So we looked around. I told him I'd spot him 50-50. He'd make the money cutting grass, and I'd match it. So we bought this 1965 very plain Fastback in '91, and then took us 5 years to restore it. We filmed the whole thing with the still pictures, and we logged everything on what we did. It took 1,300 man hours and 5 years to restore it, and that's a nice looking car. It's kind of what they call them a tribute car, since it's not a real GT350. A tribute car or a faux GT350. When we got it all torn down, it had a six-cylinder in it and a three-speed on the floor. I asked what color my son wanted to paint. He said white with blue stripes. I thought, well, I can't put a six-cylinder back in this car. It's just un-American. So I found a parts car that had all the stuff: 289, four-speed, dual exhaust, headers, all the bells and whistles, front suspension, rear suspension. Took all that off the parts car, put it in this car, and so that's where it is right now. It was a great job, good father-son job, and we enjoy it. It's a relatively light car. It moves along briskly, and it's fun to drive. Thank you.